This method allows for the design and implementation of virtual reality experiments that collect physiological data from human participants. The experiments in virtual environment framework is employed to facilitate this process. The main advantage of this technique is the control of extraneous variables while collecting data from various sources, including physiological devices.
The implications of this technique extend toward cognitive science in general because of the potential for studying the relationship between cognition and emotion in a controlled environment.
Though this method can provide insight into navigation behavior specifically, it can also be applied to other fields, such as environmental perception, behavioral geography, and decision-making.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because the knowledge required to collect and analyze physiological measures is sometimes beyond that provided by a cognitive science curriculum.
Visual demonstration of this method is important because it provides other researchers with a step-by-step guide for collecting physiological data that includes the placement of electrodes.
To begin, open the EDA ECG software and create a new settings file. Set the sampling rate to 1000 Hz and select the appropriate number of channels. Then, save this settings file and resave a version of this file with a new name for the experimental session. Next, perform an open circuit 0 on the EDA electrodes to obtain a baseline measurement of system conductivity. Open the Experiment Settings menu in the software and enter the experiment parameters.